Let's gather all the materials needed for this project. Put on gloves and mix cement with water gradually. The consistency should be like thick pancake batter. Submerge your into the mixture. Gather all your materials. Mix until it is thick. Submerge your fabric completely. Let it dry for 2 days. Now demold and decorate. Grab your cement, a bucket, and some water. Carefully pour the water into the powder. Stir thoroughly to break up any clumps. You want a smooth, thick, pourable consistency.
Wanna throw away your vanity, wanna wear it to sleep tonight, wanna wipe our slate clean, wanna pick this thing.
Here is a weekend project that you will love. Just pour, let them cure, and stack them up to create this.
If it's black, it's white. If it's wrong, it's right. As soon as I pick one, I switch sides. I kinda wanna hate you, but I wanna love you too. I wanna hold you close and let you go.